What's up, YouTube? This is my 2017 750 street rod. I've installed a Tab Performance slip-on muffler exhaust on it. The bike has a little over 1,000 miles on it. This is on a street rod. I've seen this pipe on a couple of streets. I haven't seen it for a street rod. So here's for the guys that own a street rod that kind of want to know what it sounds like. So there you go. You know what it sounds like. That's for the 750 street. I'll get some actual on the road sound because this pipe sounds really good at 7,000 RPM. It's a great pipe. Seems like it did clean up the bottom end just a bit. So as for guys looking into a cheap pipe, it's 199 bucks plus a little bit of shipping, like 220 bucks to your door. So it's a lot better value for some of them other ones that are out there. Hope this helps make your decision. And if you're listening on a phone, plug in some headphones. It helps to hear better sound. Y'all have a good one.